I'm Lindsey McCoy. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Plaine Products, and today we are going to chat about face toner. So I actually started Plaine Products because I wanted to have less plastic in my life. I did not know a lot about the personal care industry. So if you were like me, maybe you don't know what face toner is and why you should use it. Face toner is part of a very simple skin regimen that we've put together. So you use our face wash your face. Face washes actually disrupt the pH of your skin just a little bit because they're so alkaline. This face toner is actually a little bit acidic thanks to the 100% natural citric acid that we put in it. So it can help restore the balance to your skin after washing. So you can use the toner either by spraying it on a reusable cotton round or spraying it right on your face and applying it that way. The toner actually helps get any other dirt or impurities that are left over, and it will tighten up your pores and get them ready for the face moisturizer. But in addition to being an important part of your skin care routine, toner also has some other uses, and that is one of my favorite parts about it. I love products that do more than one thing. Here are 4 different suggestions for other ways that you can use our face toner. 1, because of its cleaning properties, face toner is a great way to clean on the go, or if you need to skip the face wash for some other reason. It doesn't need water, so you can just spray it on a little cleaning round and wipe your face after the gym, before you go out in the evening, or sometimes, to be honest, I use it if I just don't feel like washing my face. Maybe I'm cold, maybe I'm tired, but it is a great way to get a quick clean without water. Second, as a body spray, our face toner has a lovely, refreshing green tea scent made from essential oils. So if you just want a quick pick-me-up, again, maybe after the gym, after work, you're headed straight out, a little spray goes a long way. Third, the face toner can actually help even your skin tone out. So say maybe you have a little redness, you could spray some of this on a facial round, apply it, just stroking upwards, give it a little bit of time, and that should even out all on its own. So a little extra something. And fourth, it's great as a little moisturizer. Aloe is an ingredient, so this is gonna help nourish your skin. So if you don't want something thick, you're not ready for a full-on moisturizer, but you just need a little bit of extra, our face toner can get the job done. And I will say that many face toners actually have alcohol as an ingredient because it makes your skin feel toned and clean, but ours does not. So alcohol is not something that you want from your skin. It actually dries it out, but ours is moisturizing and gets the job done without that alcohol in it.